Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 12th episode of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamond. And before that, habang film ko to, nagsistart na din yung selling ng tickets for the Vivorcada concert this coming August 15 sa The Big Dome sa Araneta Coliseum. So, kung fan kayo ng Amutya ng Section E, yung Bad Genius, which is an upcoming series, and yung Universe series, guys, you better watch out kasi for sure, it's going to be a long night, lots of fun and musical, ganon. Yun lang, tamang promote lang tayo, pero if, bili na kayo ng tickets and see you there. So, let's start in 3, 2, 1. So, ito na yung mga panahong na-aksidente si Abby at present time na tayo. So, tingnan natin kung mag-rekindle ba ang kanilang love for the second time around. So, ito na nga yung ang daming ang daming tao sa paligid niya because she's Samantha Vera. Medyo sikat na siya. So, catching up sila dito. Parang mas bagay sa kanya yung kulot.
Sa mga kapatid niya. Sa akin. By the way, congrats on passing the boards.
Congrats din sa lahat ng success mo.
Thanks.
Sobrang awkward, no? Ngayon lang sila nagkita nung ex niya, tapos ganyan pa.
I can take it from here na. Mauna na ako ah.
Hey, Sam, you left your...
Yung card holder! Ang mahiwagang card holder. A little hope ba yun?
They didn't get any scoop from you, right, Sam? Wala naman.
Ito na ang issue.
Actually, hot na nga yung topic about the guy.
Uy, that's Roberta. Nakalimutan ko yung apelido niya. Pero siya yung Miss Grand natin, right? Fairness, she's good.
Ako yung nag-start ng bagong rumor na to to cover up the rumors about Abby being my daughter. Like, I wish. Pero naunahan na nila ako sa idea na yun. In fairness, natabunan yung issues with Abby. Sino ba kasi yung kasama mong lalaki sa picture? Hayes Juarez. You guys probably know him, huh? Of course. I know all the hot men. He's Fly Asia's CEO. And he's a pilot too. I heard about Akihiro Juarez. Magkapatid ba sila? Yup. Hero's Ariel's dad.
Parang medyo mabilis. Parang ang bilis naman nalaman yata.
Is,
Alam ko mga ilang instance pa, diba?
my daming chika. Puro high profile yung kilala mo, Sam. Supermodel na. Socialite pa. Pero Sam, seriously, you need to stop taking interviews. We have a big fashion show coming up. And people should be talking about your modeling career.
Hindi love life.
True. Umiwas mo na sa mga issues. Abby's birthday is coming up. And I'm sure, makikita ko si Hazel. Nako, umiwas ka muna kay Hazel. Para iwas issue. Okay?
Eh di fine. Okay.
Ready to buy food? That's my plan. Thank you. Hey! Oh, hi! Wow, bakit? Oh, bakit ikaw gumagawa niya? Diba yung hired helpers naman for today? At pag gusto mo tumulong, syempre gusto ng ano mo, diba?
Wow.
Tawa dyan. Tulungan mo ako, tingnan mo nahihirapan na ako dito. Walang ka dyan, sakit na ng kamay.
Oo nga naman, may helpers pero very hands-on naman po sa ating Yana. And also, consistency, the red damit, lahat, and blue si Ado. Tingnan natin kung naka-blue si Hero.
Biden helped me escape them. And he congratulated me for making it as a mom. Alam mo, na-feel ko. Actually, it felt nice. Akala ko galit siya sa akin. But maybe, may chance pala to be civil. Or even become friends. After all, regular Pediatrician siya ni Abby. So regular na kayo magkikita? Yes. No big deal. We're just regular friends. Di ba special?
Iba din manok sa tong si Yan eh.
Na lang natin ako kasi parating yung guest. Faster na. Ay, dapat ako maliit lang. Akala ko gusto mo lang malalaki eh. Meron ako na.
Si Sebi! Ito yung mga panong break si Yana, break si Sevi tsaka si Elise, tapos break din si Luna tsaka si ano.
Okay, everyone, can I have a seat? Ano, kids, you can play again, okay? And go, here we go. Stay here. We have an announcement today. So, everyone, I'd like to thank you for coming. It means a lot to us. Lalo na it's Avi's first birthday. Kompleto kami sa family.
Alam nyo, medyo nawala yung spark, sorry. Ako lang ba? Or parang,
As a family. Makikita nyo sa ilalim ng plates nyo, may envelopes.
sorry, pero ba yan? Char. It's a wedding!
They're getting married in a few months.
Ang bilis!
Sana all.
Ano all talaga?
Kaya magkano dyan, pumunta kayo lahat Complete attendance
Unavailable at the schedules nyo.
Akala, di ba parang napag-usapan nun before, akala nila ang unang ikakasal si Sam. Well, technically, si Sam naman talaga dapat kung di lang nagkagulo-gulo yung pamilya niya.
Thank you. Oh, si birthday girl. Ayun, tulog na. Napagod siguro kakasayaw, no? I'm very happy for you and Hiro. Kapag ako hindi maid of honor, hindi ako aatin. Ano ka ba? Sino pa bang maid of honor ko kundi ikaw, no? Hey. So ano, mag-move in na kayo ni Abby kay Hiro? Most likely. At least hindi pa na palagi makakasama si Abby. What am I gonna do now? What if mag-move na lang ako sa New York? Try ko nang gusto tumira din eh. And now that you and Abby have Hiro, I can do the move. Ano ka ba? New York ka agad. Pwede mo naman kami bisitahin anytime you want. Ano ba? Biglang kita best friend, okay? Pamilya ka na namin ni Abby. Lasing ka lang eh. Kaya nag-iisip ko ng move na yan. No, kaya matagal ko nang pinag-isipan yun. Walang nag-apartment hunting ka na pala. Sure ka naman dyan. Paano mo para sa buhay mo dito sa Pilipinas? Well, tama ka. We can always see each other. Tsaka isang request mo lang kay Hiro sa agad yung flight mo. Grabe.
Perks ng pagiging asawa ng...
Susuportahan naman kita sa lahat ng desisyon mo sa buhay. Pero dapat sigurado ka ha. Ano bang nasa puso mo? Ala siya. Lasing ka na. Lasing ka na talaga. I'm not drunk. Well, I can still walk off. Oh. I just go to the restroom. I'm not drunk. I'll get back to you. Simula yan.
O si Hayes to.
It seems like you're always drunk when you see each other, huh? What? Baka may love ka sa akin lalo. Hey. Are you okay na?
Lasing ka na nga, Sam. Lasing ka na.
Sleep with
Ang gwapo ni Hayes.
me, please.
Alam nyo, what if kung si Clyden, si Joseph Marcos, si Clyden, as in magkahawig sila ni Hayes. Parang sila yung magkapatid.
You're really losing it, huh? Begging someone to sleep with you.
I haven't had sex for years.
Really? Alam mo, kung hindi ka lasing at sinabi mo sa akin yan, I will gladly accept it.
I'm curious. Do you guys do it with other women after you break up? Ako, after my last breakup, I can't do it with other men.
What's it? Pwede mo bang elaborate? Is it sex? Are you asking me about sex?
Are you saying out loud? Yeah. So, no,
Nakakaloka. Sobrang.
I do it with other women. Depende sa mood ko. My last breakup didn't really affect me that much kasi. But anyway, I don't know about your man. Teka, bakit ka ba curious?
wala. I wanted to feel good. But your answer made me feel worse.
Tanong-tanong pa kasi. Yun kasi hirap sa babae magtatanong tapos magagalit pagka hindi nagustuhan yung sagot.
Sleep will make you feel good. Ano mag-isip ng iba pa, hindi ko gagawin sa'yo yun. Unless gusto mo.
Uy!
You know what?
Such a tease.
Just like your brother. That's why Gana got pregnant. Both of you are something.
I can bring you home if you like. Someone might snap a photo of us again. Oh, adagdag na naman sa issue mo.
Thank you, but I'll just ask my assistant to pick me up. Bye.
Now, give me a soft smile, but keep those eyes fierce, okay? Yeah, that's it. Ah, yeah, that's really good. Yeah, keep it there. Ah, that's nice. Ah, looking good. Yeah, keep moving. Ah, that's really good. Yeah, hold it there, yeah.
Ayan na.
Medyo sumama lalo yung pakiramdam ko dahil sa init ng araw. I didn't get much sleep last night. Galing din kasi ako sa birthday party ni Abby eh. Sam, you need to rest. Huwag ka na siguro mag-gym. I can't. The fashion show's coming up and hindi ko afford na mag-miss ng workout. Are you sure? Mag-take ka ng vitamins. Oh my gosh! What? Wait! My card holder is missing. Andun lahat yung credit cards ko. Okay. Ay, nako. Maybe you left it or nakalimutan mo lang siya.
Ito na yung magkakasakit siya.
And when I lost it. The last time I brought it was, I think I can take it from here na. Mauna na ako ah.
Magkikita na ulit sila ni Clyden.
Baka sa kanya ko naiwan. Kanina. Oh, shit. Ito pa rin kaya number niya? It's been a while since I called him.
Okay, so we're going to run the show para makapag-pahinga ka.
We'll leave you be. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Yun si Sungit.
Hello?
Hi. It's Sam.
Yeah, I know.
So,
Bisado yung number.
nakasave pa rin sa kanya number ko. Sorry to bother you, pero may nakita ka bang card holder? The last time we saw each other, it's a brown monogram.
Yes, it's with me. Sorry, I forgot to tell you.
Thank goodness, it fell into good hands.
Are you sure it did?
Stop fooling around. Kukunin ko na lang siya mamaya. I-text na lang kita for going to the hospital. I'll just go to the gym. Is that okay? Or maybe I can have my driver get it.
No, I'd rather you get it.
Sungit. Kasi gusto niya makita si Sam.
Okay? Okay.
Para-paraan eh. Para-paraan.
I'm here at the hospital. Saan kita pupuntahan?
Alam niyo, nag-iba yung itsura ni Aubrey kapag walang makeup.
Madami akong patients ngayon. I might not be able to reply, but you can wait for me if you like. Just let me know where.
Alam ko dinala siya sa hospital bed nito eh. Alam ko sa kwarto yun eh. Parang sa kwarto siya pinag-intay.
Sam. Sam. Hey,
Oh, I'm sorry. Nakatulog ako.
bro, your card holder. I have to go kasi marami pa akong patients.
Thanks. Ako rin. Uwi na rin ako.
Sam? Oh my God.
Nakulangan ako. Parang hindi ganito yung itsura ng nahihimatay, guys. Sorry. Parang kulang. Ganun ba pag nahimatay? Ito na yung dinala siya sa ward. Pero hindi ganito yung na-imagine ko. Pero at least, kwarto. Alam niyo yung ward na kwarto-kwarto.
What were you doing all day? Kailan ka pa nagsimula mahilig?
Well, uminom ako kagabi. I woke up early to go to the shoot. I was under the sun for hours. After that, kumain ako ng salad before going to the gym.
Salad?
Felt really tired and went straight here. I was asleep while waiting, and when I woke up, I felt sick.
Didn't you drink enough water? Diba sabi ko sa'yo, once you drink alcohol, you get dehydrated. You've had enough. Maniwala ka. And madidehydrate ka, kawawa ang kidneys mo. Alam mo ang kidneys ang nagpa-filter ng toxin sa katawan mo, including alcohol, by the way. Kaya pag sumobra ka, madadamage
Hindi uminom ng alcohol pero hindi uminom ng tubig. Sorry, Doc. Sorry, Doc.
taas ng lagnat mo. You should take better care of your health next time. Sige na, may pasyente pa ako. shall some food and water here.
Nasaan pala tayo?
Sa hospital pa rin. You're in my study/sleeping quarters. Bigay ng parents ko. But don't worry, just make yourself comfortable. And here, wear this. Para di ka mabigat.
Thank you, Sam. I mean, thank you, Doctor.
Okay, right now, after.
May perks talaga ang pagiging anak ng may-ari. This place feels so empty. Organized pa rin.
Sana hindi ako makapiright. Oh, meron siya ng magazine ni Sam. Kamusta naman yun? Diba? So, diba na-booking siya noon na parang every fashion show ni Sam, pumupunta siya. Pero hindi siya nagpapakita. Kasi nga, Sam, hindi naman siya nag-let go. Mahal ka pa rin niya. My God! This girl is so dense.
Are you okay?
Just rest.
Ito yung may namatay na bata yata. Kung tama ako ng pagkakatanda.
Are you comfortable having me here? I can sleep sa couch. Tapos ikaw, pwede ka here.
A kid died. So,
I'm sorry.
she was close to me.
Parang ito yung sinasabi nila na huwag masyadong paka-close sa mga patient. Oo, may care, pero iba kasi yung impact pag naging sobrang close ka dun sa patient tapos biglang namatay. Like,
Yes. Is this your first time witnessing someone's death?
Madalas na nangyari sa mga critical patients. But kids, seeing them suffer is
kasi pedya siya, diba?
Sai, you can't save everyone.
yeah, pero hanggat pwede ba?
So true. He can't save anyone. Everyone pala.
May lusuko. Walang hawak namin eh. Hindi yun ang kadaling bitawan.
Keep going for those who can save, Sai. For those who can heal and help. Yun naman dapat, diba? Kaya ka naging doktor. Remember why you started.
Thanks, ah.
Anyway, you look tired.
I've been awake for 38 hours now.
Grabe, 38 hours.
Kailangan mo na magpahinga.
Actually, mas kailangan. We need to rest now.
Welfare pa rin ni Sam yung inaalala niya.
Sige na, magpahinga ka.
Alam niyo yung conflict sa bawat stories ng Universe series. Parang, ang pinaka-grabe yung conflict is yung Chasing in the Wild and Our Yesterday's Escape. Ito kasi saglit lang yung paghihirap nung characters. Like, yung conflict with the family.
Fell into good hands.
Yung S kay nangyari kay Naomi. it's different from Elise and Sevi's pain, and like with Kiera and
Siyempre, kaya contribution ng
Shan's pain. Diba?
Our dogs? So, sino babantay sa kanila?
Colin.
Okay. Okay, mauna na ako. We can meet up again soon para mabalik yung sweater mo. Promise, palaban ko to.
Okay. Hey, thanks for listening to me. I just really needed someone to talk
Meron
to.
naman silang time para magkita.
Thank you for taking care of me. It's nice to have someone to remind me na to take care of myself once in a while. Take care of yourself too, okay?
Yeah, of course. I'll see you soon. Maui,
Yes.
do you have a boyfriend?
Why would he ask this? Baka nabasa niyo yung mga rumors online. I don't. Abby's not my child. She's my best friend's daughter.
Nakahinga na siya ng maluwag.
Do you have a girlfriend?
If you really think I have the time to entertain somebody else,
Gusto mo yan. Confirm single kayo parehas.
take care.
You too.
Mason Laurent captivated the fashion world with his latest collection during New York Fashion Week. The runway featured powerful silhouettes in black, from sharp tailored coats to sheer layering and sculpted tulle minis.
Ang galing ni Direk. Paano kaya niya nakakuha ng... Paano kaya siya nakapag-come up ng gantong clips?
With Maison, Laurent
Ang galing,
once
no?
again proving its place at the forefront of high fashion. Stay relaxed.
Still feel nervous? You know, everyone wants you to walk their shows. I'm serious, what, this has been the nth time you worked for us? Did you bring a companion? To watch you? A boat, perhaps?
Maui,
Yes.
do you have a boyfriend?
It's just me.
Oh, come on. Why don't you find a New Yorker boyfriend when you move over here? Anyone would be happy to have. Anyway, Sam, you're going to do great. This is New York Fashion Week. Let's make it happen, okay? Good luck.
Thank you. This is it, Sam. Your biggest show so far. Kaya mo to. Thank you.
Models, let's go! 5 minutes to showtime!
Alam niyo, napansin ko kay Aubrey ever since nag-start universities. Laging tube yung suot niya. Like, ang ganda naman din kasi ng shoulder blades niya. Like, ang manipis talaga. As in, bagay naman talaga sa kanya. Ayan na, rampa. Oh.
Samantha Vera, let's go!
Pak. Samantha Vera. Ang successful na ni Sam talaga. Love life na lang talaga ang kulang, te. Naomi.
Thank you. Congratulations. Glad you like it.
Sam, great job. High five.
Great job. Thank you. Amazing out there. Miss! Anong ginagawa mo dito? This is definitely not your thing.
Dito parang makikita na natin kung ano si Haze kung
Sweet mo naman.
into girls or into guys siya.
Makes me wonder if you're already falling for me.
Sorry to disappoint you, but I don't fall for people who are busy falling for their ex.
Oh!
Ganun ba ako ka-transparent? Ako lang ba yung in denial that I still love Sai?
I'll be right back. I just have to talk to a friend.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Ayan na yung friend.
So,
Buti di ka na ba?
Napakaganda! Sobrang Latina! Couldn't be prouder of you, Sam.
Ganyan sana, pag may mga screenshots na gano'n, may mga voice over. Kasi yung last time, walang voice over yung pag-uusap nila ni Yana. Like, ano na, kailangan pa magbasa gano'n.
Then came stories niya. After all, we didn't even unfollow each other.
Magkikita pa naman kayo sa Solipay sweater.
Sabihin, you did good. Congratulations.
Ang hirap kasi ng umaasa, di ba, Sam? Ayan o, pinapakita na yung other side ni Haze. Ayan na, ibabalik na ang sweater.
It's so silly of me to admit. Pero namimiss ko nga talaga siya.
Siyempre, sila makakamiss. Hindi naman din good yung breakup nyo.
Hi, I'm back in Manila. Free ako tomorrow to return your sweater.
Para-paraan tong dalawa to eh.
But we can meet somewhere else.
I'm going to see you tomorrow. Sai, I miss you.
Let me know.
I miss yoga.
I didn't mean to send that. Don't send.
Alam ko to yun, I miss yoga. And that's the end of my reaction video. Grabe, kaabang-abang yung mga next episodes kasi alam ko last 4 na tayo. Ay, hindi. Last 4 episodes na tayo. And guys, sobrang lapit na ipalabas yung Bad J News. Next na yan. Sa July 17 na yan. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching and comment down if you want me to review also Bad J News. Kasi it's a high gab project. Yun lang, bye!